welcome to Road to Rocheport, the monthly update on the Lance Corporal Leon DeRapp's I-70 Missouri River Bridge. This month, we're talking with Andrew Bertels, the construction inspector for the project.
My name's Andrew Bertels. I'm a construction inspector out here on the Rocheport Bridge project, and today we're pouring another section of bridge deck. For the June update, we've got, after this pour today, we've got 2 more to complete Unit 2, and that gets us to the river. Out in the river, we're continuing to set our structural steel, and we'll begin deck work and continuing on with that work. We're pouring some bridge deck today. We start off with our concrete pump. You can see it from our haul road down below. We got our concrete trucks down there. It pumps the concrete up to the deck. We place it, and then there's a bid well. That's our finishing machine. So it runs back and forth finishing the concrete as we're going. There's another guy behind it with a straight edge, smoothing it out even more, making sure it has the correct crown on it. And then the very last guy, he's putting a texture on it for traction. Got the roadway on the west end ready for asphalt. On the east end, we're still removing out, and by the end of June, that'll be ready for asphalt. Once we set the concrete girders, we put in stay-in-place forms. We weld those into the haunch of the bridge. We then tie our epoxy, the green steel that you see. It's all tied together through and builds 2 separate mats. There's a bottom mat and an upper mat, and then over the vents there's even more steel that help support the load of the bridge. And then once all the steel's tied, we come through, we set up our bid machine, check the depth, make sure we're at our 8.5 inches, and then we've got the correct crown. We've got a 2% slope on each side of the bridge, and then we come in and then we pour the deck and get it finished.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to MoDOT Central Missouri District on social media for content on this project and more. Until next time, stay safe, remember to buckle up, and put your phones down.